Chapter 5. Max loved playing games on his dad's computer, but he never understood how it all worked. That's when his dad decided to introduce him to the world of programming. "Dad, what's programming?" Max asked. "It's like telling the computer what to do," his dad replied. "And there are many ways to do that. One of them is called Scratch, a visual programming language that allows you to create interactive stories, games, and animations by dragging and dropping blocks of code." "Can I try it?" Max asked eagerly. "Sure," his dad said as he opened up the Scratch website. "Here, let's start by creating a simple program that will make a cat move across the screen when you press the spacebar." Max watched as his dad dragged and dropped different blocks of code onto the screen. "Wow, this is really cool!" Max exclaimed as he saw the cat move across the screen. "And the best part is that you can share your projects with others and see what they create," his dad said. Max was thrilled at the idea of sharing his creations with others. He spent the next few hours exploring Scratch, creating his own games and animations, and sharing them with his friends. As Max's interest in programming grew, his dad introduced him to other tools like the Integrated Development Environment, IDE, and Graphical User Interface, GUI. Max learned how to write his own code using an IDE and create interactive programs using a GUI. With Scratch, Max was able to learn the basics of programming in a fun and engaging way. He developed a love for coding and continued to explore new programming languages and tools.